Welcome to Aswani classes coordinate geometry part 5. In this part we are going to find coordinate of the centroid of a triangle. Centroid, it is also called center of gravity. There is a triangle. We have to find its center of gravity, or it is also called centroid. Let there is a triangle A, B, C whose coordinate are given, suppose x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. We want to find coordinate of the centroid of triangle ABC. As we know, centroid is the point of intersection of the medians of the triangle, and centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Suppose D is the middle point of BC, then AD will be a median. Okay. Similarly, if you take this side middle point of AC and join with BC, a B, that will also be a median. And if you join C with the middle point of AB, that will also be a median. There will be three medians of a triangle, and all the medians will meet at a point. एक point पर तीनों मिलेगा. That is called centroid of the triangle. Suppose G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Then this centroid of triangle G divides each median in the ratio 2:1. सेंट्रॉयड हमेशा मीडियन को 2 और 1 के रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है. तो हम लोग बाकी दोनों मीडियन को नहीं लिए हैं, एक ही मीडियन लिए. लेट अस सपोज AD is a median and G is the centroid of the triangle. So G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. It means if G is the centroid, then AG by GD will be your 2/1. It means G divides the line joining of A and D in the ratio 2:1 internally. Then we can easily find coordinate of point G. What will be coordinate of D? D is the middle point of BC. So coordinate of D can be written as x1, this is x2, y2, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. So what will be coordinate of D? This point is D. Then coordinate of D will be x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. Middle point. D is the middle point of B and C. So coordinate of middle point x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. And G is the centroid. So G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Means G divides internally in the ratio 2:1. So can you find coordinate of G? By using mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here mn is 2, 1. This is m, this is n. This is x1, y1. And this is x2, this is y2. mx2, nx1. See, mx2, x2 means this is your x2. This is in place of x2. mx2 plus nx1, x1 means x1 itself, by m plus n means 2 plus 1. And y coordinate will be my2. This is m, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2. In place of y2, it is y2 plus y3 by 2. This is my2 plus n y1. y1 is y1 itself, by m plus n means 2 plus 1. This will be your coordinate of G, means coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. So in this way we can find coordinate of the centroid. You will write simply, let D be the middle point. So coordinate of D, you will write this. Then you will write, let G be the centroid of the triangle, and hence G divides AD internally in the ratio 2:1. 1. Therefore coordinate of G this. In this way you can write 1 2 line. That is coordinate of G. This 2 cancel. So you will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. And here also this 2 cancel. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This will be coordinate of G. If x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then coordinate of its centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. तीनों का x कोऑर्डिनेट को ऐड करके 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर तीनों का y कोऑर्डिनेट को ऐड करके 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो वो होगा सेंट्रॉइड का कोऑर्डिनेट. एक क्वेश्चन देखिए ये सेंट्रॉइड से रिलेटेड. देयर इज ए क्वेश्चन. Two vertices of a triangle, write it. Two vertices of a triangle are minus 1 4 and 5 2. Okay. If its centroid is 0 minus 3, find the third vertex. Find the third vertex. This is what is your question. Note down it. So let me rough this side now. So we have got the formula that if x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then coordinate of its centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is the x coordinate of the centroid, and y coordinate of the centroid is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. There is a triangle in this question. There is a triangle. Two vertices of the triangle are minus 1 4 5 2. One vertices is minus 1 4, another vertices is 5 2. This is what is given. Two vertices of the triangle are minus 1 4 and 5 2. If its centroid, this is the centroid is given 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is the centroid of the triangle. Find the third vertex. This third vertex you have to calculate. That this is A, this is B, third vertex is C, which is to be calculated. Let it be XY. And this is your centroid G, 0 minus 3. ट्रायंगल का 2 वर्टिसेस दिया हुआ है और सेंट्रॉइड दिया हुआ है. आपको थर्ड वर्टिसेस निकालना है. तीनों वर्टिस दिया रहता तो सेंट्रॉइड निकालने का तो फार्मूला आप पढ़े, उसी फार्मूला से सेंट्रॉइड दिया हुआ है, थर्ड वर्टिक्स निकालना है. ओके, सो लेट अस रफ इट नाउ. We know x coordinate of the centroid. Coordinate of the centroid 0 minus 3. So 0 is the x coordinate of the centroid and minus 3 is the y coordinate of the centroid. As we know, x coordinate of the centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So x1 means this x coordinates minus 1 plus 5 plus xy taken the third point. एक पॉइंट है -1 4, दूसरा है 5 2, तीसरा है XY, तो तीनों का x कोऑर्डिनेट का सम -1 + 5 + x by 3. This is the x coordinate of the centroid, which is already given 0. And y coordinate of the coordinate, sum of their y coordinate 4 + 2 + y by 3. This will gives you the y coordinate of the centroid, and which is already given -3. Okay, so from here we calculate x, and from here we calculate y. So from here take cross multiplication 0, and here it is 4 plus x, so x equal to -4, and from here take cross multiplication, -9 equal to 4 plus 2, 6 plus y, so y equal to -9 -6, so y equal to -15. Therefore what will be third vertex? Third vertex is xy, so it is x is -4 and y is -15. So third vertex of the triangle must be -4 -15. So in this way we can use the formula for the centroid of a triangle. Okay, so in this video keep this much. In the next video many more things are there, like in center, ortho center, as well as a relation among centroid, in center, circumcenters, and problems based on these results. So in this video this much. Thank you for watching.